What's up, everyone? This is Justin from nextbigtrade.com. Hope you're having a great new year. In this video, I want to quickly go over some recent markets that I've discussed on my website. First up is gold. Gold had a stage 2 breakout back in June 2019, rallied all the way up until early September. We've been consolidating since then. We've stayed above the 30-week moving average, remaining in stage 2, but consolidating on lighter and lighter volume. We're trying to break out into a stage 2 continuation breakout this week. The rally was kind of sold into a little bit so far this week. Gold is up for 5 weeks in a row, so that's probably not out of the ordinary. What might happen is gold might pull back, maybe retest the breakout level at 145, maybe even go down to 142. I wouldn't like it if gold really got below this resistance level that now should be support, but we might get a pullback and then a final retest and move higher before gold continues this stage 2 advance. I would like to continue to monitor the volume for the rest of the week and make sure we get a above average week in volume, which hasn't occurred for multiple months now. Tesla broke out into stage 2 back in October. You can see the volume was 2 times average weekly volume on that breakout. After the Cybertruck release, we got a little bit of a pullback, and then we broke out again on massive volume above the 360 level, which was resistance going back a couple years. Now we're making new all-time highs, and it's probably one of the leading stocks in the market right now. Luckin Coffee broke out on huge volume back in November. Probably one of the biggest back-to-back weeks of volume I've seen in any growth stock over the last few months. It's continued this powerful stage 2 advance since the breakout. Obviously the volume has now massively grown after the breakout, and there's been very little distribution so far in this early stage 2 advance. Northern Oil and Gas. This is one of the only oil stocks I've seen so far that has broken out into stage 2. We got a big increase in volume a few weeks ago. Unfortunately, it didn't really follow up on the second rally week with big volume, and we're still kind of hovering right above the breakout level. The pullback has been on lower than average volume, which is good, and right now we're just kind of waiting to see if this stock will have another impulse of rally and kind of reignite the stage 2 breakout. Wrap Technologies is a small cap stock I talked about in a recent article. Broke out on pretty big volume for this stock a few weeks ago above the resistance level, is now pulling back. I don't really want to see Wrap get much below the breakout level, or I'll have to exit the trade. But obviously the pullback has been on lighter volume, which is good. So we'll see how this stock continues to trade for the rest of the week and into next week. Natural gas was a market that failed a stage 2 breakout. I exited that trade after that happened, and obviously after failing the stage 2 breakout, it's kind of remained in this downtrend, and it could go down into continue into stage 4 from here, or maybe it just continues to base for a while before maybe setting up a breakout in the future. But for right now, I'm not really interested in natural gas. And then one stock that I just entered recently, which is BILI, which is a Chinese internet stock. And what I like about this stock is that it's trading on pretty big volume, 2 times average volume last week, and a lot of volume so far this week, breaking out to new all-time highs, which is great. No overhead resistance, and Chinese stocks really have been a emerging sector recently, with obviously Luckin Coffee. Now this. That's it for tonight. Smash that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and as always, there'll be more content at nextbigtrade.com.